In this video, I'm going to show you that how the thread variable shares the instance variable. Okay, so I'm moving back to our old class, that is the thread demo. Okay, and here inside this, that what we are going to do, we are just going to have the instance variable. Let's say the variable integer count. Okay, and that count is initialized by 0, like this, right? And what we will be doing, that we are just going to increment the count value one by one. Okay, and that we are going to print it over here. So let me just write it down inside this as out with the thread color purple. Okay, and here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to increment the count value. Perfect. Right, the same thing that I'm going to do over here for the another thread. And let's try to see that what is going to happen. Okay, so now let's try to run the application. And here you can see the values are getting printed only for 2 times 1 and 2. Okay, so that is because of this like interrupt. Okay, so right now for a moment I'm just putting this thing into the comment. Okay, and let's run it once again. And it is just printing the values like 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and randomly it is printing the value. Okay, so there is no any kind of synchronization. Let's see the program once again so that we will get idea. So here what has happened, that sorry, it's my mistake. Here I must have written this thing into the comments, sorry, in the curly brace. Okay, so I'm just going to put into the curly brace. Okay, now the program should run properly. Okay, this is a for loop and I must have to take this outside this. Okay, yeah, now I'm running the application. Now we should print it properly. So here you can see we are getting the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we are getting the output correctly, but here what is happening, that the function b is printing the value that is 18, 17, 16 kind of, right? Okay, whereas the function a is having the value 17, 19. So there is no sort of synchronization over here, right? If I will execute it once again, let me show you. So they are printing it randomly, like here you don't know that who is incrementing this value and what that other are printing. So anyway, here the point that we should understand is key, that the value of this particular variable, the variable count which we have declared over here, its value is accessible by both of the thread, and that's why that both of the threads are incrementing the value. And this particular problem is the problem of synchronization, as we have seen earlier. Okay, so basically we have to tackle this. The point to remember is that the instance variable is shared by the threads. Okay, remember this thing. That's it for this video.